Are you a fan of finance, investing, or Wall Street? Here are some must-watch Netflix series that dive deep into the world of money and markets. Now, this video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So listen, if you love finance and you want to learn more about, finance while being entertained, Netflix has some amazing series that explore everything from investing to big financial events. These shows give you insider looks at a financial world, and trust me, you do not want to miss them. Okay, so here are some of the best finance-related Netflix series. Okay, first one, Money Heist, a thrilling series about a group of criminals planning the biggest heist in history. It's packed with action, strategy, and of course, money. Okay, another one is called Billions. Follow the battle between a hedge fund billionaire and a determined U.S. attorney. The show dives deep into power, greed, and Wall Street's high-stakes game. There's also Dirty Money. This documentary series uncovers real-world stories of corporate greed, corruption, and scandals that have rocked the financial world. The Wolf of Wall Street, a gripping true story about the rise and fall of a stockbroker in the fast-paced world of Wall Street. The Big Short. This movie is based on the true story of the 2008 financial crash and explains how a few outsiders predicted the downfall of the housing market. Now, these series are not only entertaining, but also provide great lessons in finance. So grab not your popcorn, cut a watermelon, have some steak, have some eggs, and start streaming. And if you found anything valuable from this little video, leave me a like. I love you.